How are you?
Let's learn English together.
Good morning. I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
Good morning. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Your bag is 18 kilos, within the limit.
Great. What is my gate number?
Your boarding gate is A12. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you. Could you also tell me where the security check is?
It's straight ahead and then to the left.
Thanks a lot.
Please remove your laptop and liquids from your bag.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. You may pass.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You're all set. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe for daily English conversations with us.